Orange.
Orange.
Purple. Orange.
Orange.
Look.
Orange ball.
Block.
It's a ball.
Purple block.
Purple block. Where is that purple block? I don't know.
What color?
Color purple.
Purple. Orange. Purple.
Here's color orange. An orange plastic ball. Made of plastic.
Block. Block.
Yeah, this is a block.
Block.
What color?
Purple.
No. Color orange. See, we got three things here, Apollo. An orange block, a purple block, and an orange ball.
Purple ball.
That's an orange ball. That's an orange ball. You want a purple ball?
Ball.
Do you want a purple ball? Red ball? Green ball? Yellow ball?
Color of the stars. Orange.
Orange. A purple wood block?
Purple block.
Yes, purple block made of wood.
Block.
Wood block.
Purple.
Throw purple block.
What color? Orange. Orange. Fresh water. Orange. Fresh water. Orange. What color? What's your letters?
What?
Orange. What color?
What called?
Touch.
You want to touch? It's made of metal. You can't have too much of it, so don't bite me. You can touch. It's just made of metal. It's kind of boring. Maybe I'll see if I can get a stainless steel one.
What color?
You're pretty strong, Mr. Bird. What color? Silver. Metal color, kind of.
Orange. Purple bird.
You are a good bird. Are you trying to say what call? It's. Do you want a specific thing for Allen keys?
Ooh. What color?
Drop.
Purple.
How much does that weigh, Apollo? That was kind of crazy.
Claw.
That's 6 ounces, Apollo. It's not quite a whole Apollo.
Ooh. Touch.
Oh, what?
What?
What? It seems Mr. Bird has decided he's really into the Allen keys. I gotta freaking get this tripod.
Ooh.
Is that okay? No. Wait. Wait. It is.
Oh. Touch. This is purple.
What's purple?
What color?
The bowl? You want this?
Touch.
You want to touch that? It's my finger.
What color? What?
You want it? Do you want this? Apollo, do you want this? Yes?
Wrench.
Do you think it's a wrench?
Ball. Wrench.
It's closest to a wrench, but it's not. I don't know how specific we want to be, Apollo. It's like it's what made of?
Metal.
Yes. Good. You want it?
Touch.
You want it?
Metal. Wrench.
Metal wrench? You think that's a metal wrench?
Metal. Wrench. Ball. Pistache.
Plastic ball.
Orange. Apple.
Orange plastic ball?
Block.
This is a ball.
Purple ball.
Purple block?
Block. Purple ball.
That's an orange ball. Do you want a purple ball?
Purple ball.
Yes.
Block. Block. Purple block.
Yes, purple block.
Orange. Block. Pistache.
What's this? What's this called and color?
Purple. Orange.
Yes, it's color orange. What's this color and called?
Wrench. Orange.
Orange block.
Heart of pistache.
You want a pistache? What color and what called?
Bottle. Wrench.
Purple ball.
Heart of pistache.
What's this called?
Purple. Wrench. Touch. Block.
Yes, that's a block.
What?
Throw purple ball.
Touch.
Throw purple ball.
Ball.
Good. Throw orange block. Throw orange block. Oh, no. Throw made of metal.
No.
You can have one snack because you've been a bit over it.
What? 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 Fresh water. What color? Orange.
Orange.
Some water. Orange.
Orange.
A little water.
Want some water? Don't you want to drink some fresh water? Here, drink some fresh water.
Water. Claw.
Cloth.
What color? From water. What?
What?
Fresh water.
Do you want to take a shower? Work, work, work.
Fresh water. You want fresh water? Claw.
Cloth.
What?
I'm looking at you, Apollo. Apollo, what's this called?
Metal. Wrench.
Yes, metal wrench. Good.
Lots of water. Purple door.
Purple door?
That was something when he was outside I heard him. He's putting purple with everything. So he went purple blah bottle.
Purple block.
Action.
Purple.
Made of plastic?
Bottle.
Yes. It is a bottle.
Wall.
Wow, wall?
With a bottle. Water. Water. What color? Look. Superb. Orange. Purple block. Look. Touch purple block. You want a snack?
What's this?
Bottle?
Yes. What's it made of?
Bottle?
What made of?
Purple block.
Apollo, what's it made of?
Purple book.
Paper. Yes. Books are also paper.
Apollo. Apollo. Pistache. Purple block.
No shower? You turning your back on me because no shower? Alright. No shower today. We'll do a shower tomorrow.
Orange.
Orange.
Claw.
Orange cloth.
Fresh water.